Hi, my name is Chris Hardy, and I am the Executive Vice President here at Aloe Vera of America. And today we're going to give you a sneak peek on how we make one of my favorite products, Aloe To Go. And just like all the great products that we make here at Aloe Vera of America, it starts with pure aloe vera gel that comes in from our farms daily from South Texas and Dominican Republic. After the release of the raw materials from our laboratory, the batch's individual ingredients are weighed to meet the formula requirements. Each raw ingredient is weighed using 2 employees to ensure and verify each quantity is accurate. A compounding supervisor is required to verify the weighed materials. The purest and freshest aloe vera gel, straight from our very own farms, is transferred to the mixing vessel where it is blended with high-quality fruit juices. After the ingredients are thoroughly blended, samples are taken to our laboratory to ensure the finished product meets specifications. The laboratory analyzes the finished product to ensure the product meets our quality specifications and then releases the batch. Once the batch is released, the packaging team immediately goes to work to package the product, locking in the quality as quickly as possible, ensuring once again that our customers have the freshest, highest quality aloe vera product in the world. The product is then transferred to the Aloe To Go form, fill, and seal machine. Here, the film is formed into a pouch, and then it is filled, sealed, and cut to our famous Aloe To Go pouch shape. This machine will run 170 pouches per minute. That's over 10,000 pouches per hour. Every 15 minutes, the pouches are sampled and inspected to ensure our packaging meets quality standards and weight requirements. The pouches are then rinsed and dried automatically prior to being packed into cartons and shippers. Random samples of cases are inspected by our quality personnel to ensure the product meets quality specifications. So there you have it. That's how we take pure aloe vera gel and turn it into Aloe To Go. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time here at Aloe Vera of America.